Hi there, Linda Artisani, Artisani Bookkeeping. This week's post is just a story that I found about a law firm that found a cat and the staff let it inside, and then it would come in. Actually, you got it neutered, and then his name is Leon, and they kind of affectionately nicknamed him. And then people in the office building said that he couldn't stay, so they hired him as a lawyer. And it's a kind of cute story, and I've linked it back in the video in the blog post. This is my little guy Meep, and I actually have three cats. So I'm a very big cat person. I guess someday you'd be calling me the cat lady. But this is Meep, and I also have Simba, which you've probably seen on my some of my old pictures in Facebook. But cats are great for stress, and a lot of attorneys deal with a lot of stress. So that's really the intention of my post, is to say that if you've got an office and you work remotely, it's always good to have a cat in the office, because when you're feeling a little stressed, you just reach back and give them a little pet and listen to their purr. Sometimes it just makes everything better. So on that note, I hope you all have a wonderful week. Go find your furry friend and give him a hug. Bye now.